Hi, what's up? I'm currently here in Kamakura. It is a seaside city just an hour away from Tokyo. You can get here by taking the train. It's around an hour from Shibuya station. This place is really popular for this spot where they say that it was used as a reference for Slumdog. I'll be showing some clips of the place. Behind me is the famous pot they said that was used as a reference for Slumdog. It's really full of tourists. First of all, I think it's because it's really accessible from Tokyo Center. There's a couple of things that you can do in here as well. This place is actually really laid back. It's still a tourist spot, so don't expect peace and quiet in here. Although, of course, you can always check out the back streets. I'm still pretty excited to see this town because this is just a few of the day trips that I've took in my stay here in Tokyo. So let's see what Kamakura has to offer. It's currently 3:55, by the way, so there's an upcoming typhoon as well, so it's kind of dark right now. The sky isn't clear, but if you go here in a better weather, I really do think this place will show you a different personality. hopefully you can see me, but the beach is just okay. I think I've seen better beaches back home, but I think it's not the beach itself. The highlight here, it's the placement of everything. The train tracks, the road signs, the seawall, just how the ocean is seen from all of this at once. there is a train-themed souvenir shop just right after you enter the Inoshima line. You get extra 5% off besides the 10% tax free. You're planning to come to Don Quijote, be sure to have a list of what you want to get because it's really overwhelming. And this branch in Shibuya, it's a mega Donki, meaning it's a big branch. It is open for 24 hours, which is good, but it's also really crowded with tourists. And it is 11 p.m., but it's still really crowded. Also, Donki is way more expensive than just buying in like a random pharmacy out there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to buy snacks here, and then anything that can be bought in a pharmacy I will be buying there, because for example this is really popular in Japan right now. This is 600 in here and I found it for like 549 in a drugstore, in a pharmacy outside. They do have souvenirs here, wrap magnets and keychains, but the same exact design you can find outside for like 50 or 100 yen cheaper. So I don't suggest you buy souvenirs here. The condiment section as usual. If you shop at Donki, also remember that everything that you will pay tax-free will be sealed in bags like this. It's illegal to take them out of this bag until you get out of Japan. Although I did request from them to pack it in smaller bags or like in separate bags, so it's easier for me to arrange them. But yeah, just something to keep in mind if ever you're planning to shop at Donki.